Need advice on how to use email marketing? Try these tips. Everyone wants to have a business which is both profitable and respectable, and email marketing is a great part of building your company towards your goals. Using the right techniques will ensure that you keep the customers you already have and bring in new ones as well. Read on to find some advice you can't market without. Develop a consistent format and schedule for your marketing emails. By doing this, your customers will learn when and what to expect. Find a professional template that suits your business and use it every time. Alert your customers to the most relevant information at the beginning of the email. Be predictable in your emails. Send them on a specific schedule. Make sure you send something at least monthly. This will help keep your customers interested. If you can send emails 1 or 2 times a week, that is even better. Test out which days give your site the best responses, and then use these days as your normal days to send emails. Maximize the results of your email marketing by encouraging your readers to respond to every email. Always read and reply to these emails immediately. Building a personal relationship with each of your readers is the best way to convert them into loyal customers. This is also a good way to get more specific feedback on the success of your efforts. When you are setting up an email marketing campaign, it is pertinent to know who your target audience is. The proper research regarding your market niche will help you determine your target audience, and you can then build an effective email marketing campaign. Targeting the right customers is key to your success. All the tips in this video have made other companies successful online. So use them to their fullest to bring yourself closer to your goals. The amount of effort you put into your campaign will directly correlate with the increase you see in traffic and profits. So work hard to get great results. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.